So my name's Julie Spellman. I'm the president of Prospect Park Condominiums, and Pure Energy is one of 2 approved window and door companies that co-owners can use. Especially after living in the unit for 27 years and dealing with drafts constantly made me take the leap and replace all the windows, all the doors. The results are amazing. After the install happened, I felt nothing. There was no breeze, there was no draft. I definitely highly recommend Pure Energy. The salesmanship, the sales process, the install process, everything is so professionally done. The customer service level is beyond anyone's expectation. And I really do think that it is worth a call. I wish I did it 20 years ago.